I'm Albert.
How are you?
Good, what about you?
Good. Thanks for stopping by.
Of course.
Oh yeah? Alright, let's go inside my room.
Got it.
A little bit messy.
A little bit different than the other one.
I don't want to be walking around with a drink.
I think I remember yellow, basically. And I saw...
I understand you.
Defend that, right?
Absolutely.
Some things that they were supposed to do. And like
We had to run so much. We were in the track field and
This morning?
Friday morning.
Oh, okay.
I was dying. I'm literally walking like 9 months pregnant. Like I walked like this.